So let's call here a function called is show payment options. I'm going to get rid of this node here. Let me just copy this function. It's going to give us an error because there is no such function right now, but we are going to create it together in just a second. So at the bottom here, I'm going to say private func, and we just paste our function name here. So now our error will disappear, and this function will be called every time our user clicks on the basket, the checkout button in our basket. So let's create an alert controller. And this is going to be with a title and let's say payment options. And the message, you can either put something here or just put nil, it's an optional. I'm going to put here like choose preferred payment option. And preferred style is going to be action sheet. Once we have our action sheet, we're going to add our buttons, so our options here. So say let card action is equals to UI alert action, and this is going to be with a title as called pay with card. Style is going to be default. Handler is just hit enter, call this action, and whenever our user clicks on this option pay with card, the code here will be run. So I'm going to put here a note and say show card number view. Then we want to create another action, and I'm going to call this cancel action, and this is going to be again UI alert action with a title cancel, style.cancel, and this is going to be just nil. We can actually do it, just get rid of it. So we have a title and we have a style here. Now we need to add, I'm not putting any other button because we're not going to integrate Apple Pay here. If you want to do it yourself, you can add, or any other actions, you just copy this and write another button. Once you do that, you say, we are going to add this to our action controller, so alert controller. So we say alert controller add action, and you first pass your card action, and then you say alert controller add action, and we pass our cancel action. And let's also present our alert controller, because there is no use if we create the alert controller and never present it. Animate is going to be true, completion nil. So if I run my application, we can test if our I haven't passed my cancel action here. We can test if our alert controller is working. This is going to take some time into processing my run, because after pod installation we haven't run our application. So I'm going to pause it here and resume once the simulator is running. Okay, so it's running now. So if I go to my basket, right now there is nothing inside. So let's grab something, and let's say the bike here, I will add to my basket. Then go to my basket, it will update, and if I click on checkout, it's going to show me the payment option. So I can click this and it disappears, but there is no code is running. So clearly our user interface is working. So in our next lecture, we're going to write the code that whenever we click this is going to present us with a new view there, wherever we can put our card details and just click pay. So let's stop it here, and in our next lecture we are going to write our new code.